Okay, well, we survived the lost trail and we finally made it. And this is the driveway down to the next place. We're going to stay here for 10 days, I think. You can see there's mountains everywhere around. And there's the place we're staying. It's foggy right now, so you can't see, but we got avocado trees, we got lemon trees, we got raspberries, we got bananas. I can't remember, he gave us a whole list of things. You can't see right now, but it overlooks the town. And there's the Everest again. This is the porch where we can hang out and look around. All right, shoes off. All right, here's the inside. Got the table here, TV. Carol doesn't want to be on video.
No.
Kitchen. Living room looking outside. Big TV. This would be my pad if I want. So look at this. Master bath. Look at the wood for the bed. That's cool. Outside views will be great. There's a chair outside. Work desk. Some screens. All the rooms are air conditioned up there, as you can see. And then here's the main bath. Let's see if we can turn on some more lights here. There we go. And nope. Not sure how to turn on the other light up there, but yeah. Back here's the laundry room, so we actually have a washer and dryer, which is beyond awesome. Coming out here, now here's the interesting part. This is the backyard. When you open this up, in here is the another bathroom. So we'll turn that off. And let's see if we can find them. There they are. Chickies. Hey, chickies, what are you doing? Huh? They said you're hungry all the time. What's up? So, all around us. And there's water purification, little grill. Apparently we gotta keep the doors closed so the chickens don't come inside the house. Like they're trying to do right now. Lock the door. So anyway, what an unbelievable place. So, all right, we'll be staying here for about 10 days, and then the other house that we want to stay at, which we're going to stay at for several months, up until October, it opens up, and we get to go to that. So that will be that. So we're here, and actually AJ, my oldest, will be coming in from Tokyo on next Wednesday. So he's going to sleep in the main bedroom, and we're going to sleep out here on this couch, which turns into another bed. So, all right, cool stuff. Adios.